probably the easiest kind of function to graph is actually graphing a horizontal or a vertical line. But for whatever reason, it seems to be one of the trickiest to remember as a student. So if you have an equation where you have y equals some number, which we're using b to represent some number here, that is a horizontal line that goes through this number that they gave us. If we have x equals some number, a, then it's a vertical line that goes through that number. So let's try that. Graph y equals 3. So that what you do is you go on the y-axis to 3, which is right here. Then you need to remember that y gives you a horizontal line. And to me, the easiest thing is, as long as they didn't trick us with like 0 or something, you just have to remember to go the opposite direction of the axis that you drew on. Okay? So we draw left to right. Because the only time you're going to end up with a line like this, like if we had drawn it 3 and then thought it was a vertical line, the only time you end up with a line that looks like that where it's on the y-axis would be if we had an equals 0 situation. Okay? So just remember, that's not what we want. We want the line that goes horizontally through 3. What we're saying when we say y equals 3 is that no matter what x value we have, we should have a graph that goes through 3 for y. So even if x is 4, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. X is negative 4, y is 3. Our other equation here, x equals negative 5, you go along the x-axis to negative 5, and again, if I were to draw this line left and right now, that would be on the axis, which is not what I want to have happen. I want it to show that no matter what y value I pick, I get an x value of negative 5, which means that I draw a vertical line up and down through negative 5.